In this video, I'd like to introduce you to the blog section on the dashboard. The module is located in the center of the screen on the left-hand side, and what you see here is you see a chronological ordered list of all of the postings to either the company website or stuff that you've posted to your personal blog. So if you want to go and look at one of those articles, if you simply click on it, the article information posts up here. You can even print it, or you can click on next to go cycle through all of the articles that are there. And these are what display on the front page of coldwellbankerlegacy.com, or if they're published to your blog, what shows up on your personal website. Now, it's important to note that when you see something in here you've posted, it does not mean that it showed up on the company site. All it simply means is it's showing you the list in chronological order of all the postings that have occurred, so you can see the content that's being published on the websites. So if you want to add new content here or create a simple post, you just go to New Post. And before I get started in this section, if you're looking for really in-depth training on what blogging is, how it can help you improve your search engine optimization, I encourage you to go to the Resource Center like you're watching this video and check out the section on blog. I will go much more in depth into the details and features and functionality and a little bit more of the search engine optimization conversation for you. So in here, simply you have your title section where you can title your post. The body section, which is a simple word processor, allows you to do a whole bunch of different stuff, including embedding photos, embedding video such as YouTube or Vimeo. You can even create hyperlinking. And then on the right-hand side are the tags. And tags obviously will be covered more in depth in the blog video. Essentially, briefly, they're kind of keywords of what the content contains in your post. There's three tabs along the top, so we're on the Compose tab. The second tab is Publish, and this is basically where you set your publish settings. It's always going to default to draft so that you can work on these, you can continue to edit, have somebody else maybe proofread. You have two other options, one being deleted if you want to remove a post, and I highly do not recommend removing posts. Leave them out there because they are only going to improve your optimization on search engines. And post, when you're ready to go ahead and publish this, you can click on post. You'll notice when I did that, on the right hand side, my blog, city and neighborhood blog, and company blog became active. You have the option to not only submit this to your blog, but if you would like to submit it to the city and neighborhood blogs for areas, so if you're talking about a specific area, say Sandia Heights, and you write a comment or a whole commentary on what you think of the area of Sandia Heights, go ahead and post it to the city and neighborhood blog, and an administrator will look at it, proofread it, and if they find it informational, we'll go ahead and post it to that section of the website. You can also do the same for a company blog. If you've written some original content and you think it would be helpful for consumers out there, go ahead and share it to the company blog by checking that box, and an administrator will get a notification and will review your post, and we will consider putting it on the homepage of coldwellbankerlegacy.com. So there's some incentive there to maybe write some content, not only for your benefit, but as well for the company's benefit, and it gets you some marketing. On the left-hand side, there's two more boxes we have not covered, and that's the post date. So if you want to go ahead and change the date or date it a little bit forward for when you posted this content, you can. And then the allow comments box. I'm a firm believer that you should allow comments on all of your postings because it helps increase conversation on the web. Somebody might have a question about a statement you made in your post, or they might have a different belief or a different line of thinking, and that's fine, but it opens up commentary and it provides us opportunity to engage with customers on a different level, and online that can be a useful tool. The third tab is Advanced, and when you click on Advanced, these are going to be for more advanced features such as embedding certain types of codes, scripts, or feeds. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about right here, that's fine. But if you have a question sometime about, hey, can I put this in my blog? Is that possible? More than likely, if it's an advanced, frame, iframe, or script, we can probably do it by putting it in here in this Advanced tab. I will cover this a little bit more in depth with an example in the blog video. So I hope this helped to get you more accustomed to what the blog section is on the dashboard, and I hope you continue to watch these videos. I appreciate your time.